Hey babe, welcome back to Absolutely Abston. Today we are going to talk about a juicy subject, and that's failure. Specifically, why most dropshippers fail. My name is Asia Abston, CEO of the Lux Life Academy, and I have helped over 2,000 digital entrepreneurs launch passive income streams. So stick around to the end of this video to learn a few of the biggest reasons that take down new dropshippers. I promise you're going to want to hear this. First up, a lot of new dropshippers fail because they sell low profit items. With low profit margin items, you have to sell a ton of them to really make a monetary impact. And you don't leave much wiggle room for marketing expenses or taxes or refunds or even to really pay yourself and hire help. Without those funds, your business will stay small a lot longer and may really never grow out of that side hustle stage. Also, generic product photos are insane. Why are we still doing this? Really? The manufacturer's photos are great. So great that every other dropshipper on the planet is using them too, making your brand generic AF the second a visitor steps onto your website. Why would they buy from you versus any of the other hundreds of sellers using the exact same photos? When you use generic photos, your brand automatically seems untrustworthy. Potential buyers will respond to that by keeping their cash in their pockets. Third, lack of persistence and patience. There's something weird about dropshipping that I don't see present in other businesses. There's this perception that because you are dropshipping, you aren't launching an actual business that requires time, grit, and persistence. So some people jump into dropshipping hoping that they can just put a few dollars in and a little bit of work and poof, they're millionaires. I could be wrong, but to my knowledge, no business actually works like that. Don't make the mistake of thinking that just because dropshipping is, yes, the best and the easiest business model for e-commerce, that it's some type of magical wand. So my question to you is, did you know about those common beginner mistakes and trip ups? Have you launched your brand and already experienced any of these? I really want to know so I can make videos that help you guys the best way I can. Let's continue the conversation in the comments below. I can't wait to hear from you. And if you need more guidance, just click here to watch my free 2-hour beginner's masterclass. It goes so much more in depth on each one of these touch points and a lot more, and it gives you the best chance at getting started as a dropshipper. All right, that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you inside my free masterclass. Bring a notebook, there's a lot to learn.
Here we go. At the top of the class on a roll, and it's time to run it up, yeah, you know. Maxed out, put the pedal to the floor.